There's 8 topics overall in this course. At the beginning of every one, I'm going to do a little about this topic where I tell you the kind of things you will be finding through the rest of this section. And so every about this topic will start with a bunch of, we call them kind of warm-up exercises, get your juices flowing on the topic. One of the things that's in that warm-up section for every topic is famous last words that are chosen because they kind of shed light on that topic. In this case, other people dying. Some of the famous last words you'll find are people who were going out with a real attitude. There's another bunch of people who were kind of focused a little bit in the present for last words. See what you think. They'll get you thinking about that topic. But the real workhorse of this other people dying is obituaries. I'm going to be presenting a little bit of information on the backstory. How did obituaries get to be obituaries? And then once you understand where they've been, and also we'll talk about where they're going, online obituaries, that kind of thing, we'll give you something that I think is pretty unique. I haven't seen anything like it any other place. It's an obituary assistant to help coach you through the process of writing an obituary yourself. We will suggest in this very first section that you don't start with someone, the closest to you, your parents, yourself, maybe an aunt and uncle, something like that. Someone you know, someone that you care about, and someone that if you can find the words to really kind of sum up and say what was special about them and write the appreciative obituary that you want, you'll feel good about doing it and you'll have gotten really deeply involved in other people dying. The last thing after you do all the work in every one of these sections is kind of a reflections part. And in topic 1 here, there's some selected films, some selected fiction, all about other people dying to help you sort of step back and see what you thought about what you did and what came up for you during this material. And finally, there's quotes, also quotes about other people dying, reflection aids, and a discussion forum where we'll have some questions to get you going, and you can bring up things that came up for you during this material. And also, I'd like to say, if you've ever posted something in a discussion forum and someone replied to it, it made you feel like $1 million, right? Read what other people say. And if it engages you, if you feel like replying to them, do it. It'll make them feel like $1 million too. So enjoy this topic, other people dying.